Hello everyone, I am Praveen Katiya, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department from SIRTE and welcome to Sage Group. Now we are talking the subject of building construction and the topic is cement aggregate. This is speak of aggregate and water for concrete. Now aggregate. Aggregate generally occupies 65 to 80% of concrete volume. Aggregate or inert filler floating in the cement paste matrix for concrete of low strength. The strength of aggregate do not contribute to the strength of concrete for a low strength concrete. The characteristic of aggregate impact performance of a fresh and hardened concrete. Why use aggregate? Reduce the cost of concrete 1/4 to 1/8 of the cement price. Reduce the thermal cracking. 100 kg of OPC produced about 12 degrees centigrade temperature rise. Reduce shrinkage. 10% reduction in aggregate volume can a double shrinkage. High aggregate cement ratio desirable. Aggregate cement mainly influenced by cement content, and the last one is impart unit weight of concrete. Aggregate classification. Basically, aggregate classification may be a five types: size, specific gravity, availability, shape, and texture. Size: coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. Specific gravity: light weight, normal weight, and heavyweight aggregate. Availability: natural gravel and crushed aggregate. Shape: round, cubical, angular, elongated, and flaky aggregate. Texture is a smooth, granular, crystalline, honeycombed, and porous. Now the peak of aggregate classifications. Aggregate classification size: fine aggregate sand or crushed stone greater than 4.75 less than 4.75 mm. Fine aggregate content of usually 35 to 45% by mass of volume of total aggregate. Coarse aggregate is a gravel and clay stone greater than 4.75 mm, typically between 9.5 to and 37.5 mm. Aggregate classification and specific gravity. They are dependent for a normal weight aggregate and lightweight aggregate. Most common aggregate, for example, sand, gravel, crushed stone, produce a normal weight concrete is 2200 to 2400 kg per meter cube. Lightweight aggregate is expanded, example shell, clay, slat, and slag. Produce structural lightweight concrete 1350 to 1850 kg per meter cube, and a example for a pumic, scoria, perlite, diatomite produce a lightweight insulating concrete 250 to 1450 kg per meter cube. Now this is a peak of normal weight aggregate, example sand, gravel, crushed stone. Now this is a peak of lightweight aggregate, shell, clay, slat, and slag. Thank you so much.